So that will be the first day of our Conceptual Orthopedics PG course, which will start on 12th. So this is what we have for you. We are prepared. Are you ready for the big day? So we'll be waiting for all of you to attend this particular course, and we'll be meeting and interacting with each other. So just another 3 more days for our big event to happen. So on the first day, I think we'll be doing more of trauma. So Fahim, what do you have in for the students?
So it's going to be a mixed bag, but we are trying to cover the entire spectrum of trauma, all the way from the basics about how a fracture happens or what a trauma is, not just to the bone, but to the entire body, followed by a lot of conceptual based topics. Now, these are going to be both on the fracture mechanics as well as the biomechanics of the internal fixation and the external fixation devices. You are going to learn how to use a screw till how do you stabilize a fracture completely, and then we would follow that up in the post lunch session with a completely interactive session on different sort of fractures in the different areas of the body, both the upper limb and the lower limb. And finally, the day would be completed by a completely mixed bag of cases which are up for discussion. So we would really try to cover as many things as possible, including the complications of trauma in orthopedics.
Well, that's excellent. I think the inaugural talk will be by Professor S.M. Tuli, sir. Sir, what would you be giving to the students on this wonderful day?
No, I think as the clinical orthopedicians, one should know it that fractures or traumatic orthopedics is a very, very important part of orthopedics. And every orthopedic surgeon should know how to treat any trauma of orthopedic, or let's say any trauma of the skeletal system. That's the basis, that is the basis of a pyramid. You can say if it's a broad base of the pyramid can go very high. Every orthopedic surgeon should be able to treat any orthopedic trauma comfortably and functionally useful to the patient and the families. And trauma, obviously, any fractured bone would need some sort of stability. So there are methods of stabilization. One can start, say, many will be stabilized by a plaster application. Other will be requiring an internal fixation. And there will be another variety which may require a combination of many. So we learn at every stage how to give the best to the patient with cost effectiveness and availability to a common man in India.
So that will be the first day of our Conceptual Orthopedics PG course, which will start on 12th. So this is what we have for you. We are prepared. Are you ready for the big day? So we'll be waiting for all of you to attend this particular course, and we'll be meeting and interacting with each other. Thanks a lot, and we'll be waiting for you.